Vidyapit Group. It contains national news, international news, economic, educational, sports, weather report, and RSV Vidyapit special highlights. Today is National STEM Day. Science, Technology, Indian Engineering, Art and Mathematics in the US, encouraging interests in these fields. It is also World Urbanization Day, also known as World Town Planning Day, promoting the role of planning in creating livable communities. National News. PM's itinerary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Varanasi today to flag off 4 new Vande Bharat Expresses trains on the Varanasi, Khajuraho, Lucknow, Saharanpur, Bijapur, Delhi, and Ernakulam, Bengaluru routes. He will also inaugurate a national conference on strengthening legal aid delivery mechanisms at the Supreme Court. Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to visit Bhutan next week to inaugurate key hydropower projects and review ongoing railway schemes. Indian Railways is implementing AI technology to enhance the security and monitoring of freight trains. Delhi Zoo reopens. The National Zoological Park in Delhi is scheduled to open today after being closed for over 2 months due to a positive case of avian influenza bird flu detected in August. International news. An explosion during Friday prayers at a mosque in Jakarta left several people injured, with authorities launching an investigation. Denmark aims to ban child social media access. Denmark's government is considering a sweeping measure to ban access to social media for children under the age of 15. Nobel laureate dies. James D. Watson, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist who co-discovered the structure of DNA double helix, has died at the age of 97. Swiss dairy farmers are grappling with surplus milk due to trade tensions and tariffs with the US disrupting exports. Education. Attendance rules. CBSE continues to emphasize the mandatory minimum 75% attendance rule for students to be eligible for the 2026 board. Odisha Board Exam Form File-up. The Board of Secondary Education BCE Odisha has started the process of filling up examination forms for the 2026 Annual High School Certificate HSC examination today. West Bengal State Anthem. The West Bengal government has made it mandatory for all state and state-aided schools to include the state song Banglar Mati Banglar Joy, written by Rabindranath Tagore, alongside the national anthem during the school assembly. Economic news. The India-US trade agreement is expected to be finalized by the end of November, as announced by the Niti Aayog CEO, focusing on market access and tariff issues. The World Bank and IMF have stated in their latest reports that India's financial system has become more resilient and inclusive since the last assessment, and sustaining reforms is key to achieving the $30 trillion economy target by 2047. Gold prices are showing initial signs of recovery, with analysts suggesting a buy and dip strategy. Sports news. India vs Australia final T20 today. The fifth and final T20 international between India and Australia will be played today at the Gabba in Brisbane, Australia at 1:45 p.m. IST. The world's largest cricket stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, has been shortlisted to host the final match of the 2026 ICC T20 World Cup. 10 Indian players, including the world champion Gukesh, are in action in round 3 of the FIDE Chess World Cup being held in Goa today. Weather. The weather is expected to be mainly clear and sunny with a present temperature range. The maximum temperature is expected to be around 30 degrees Celsius. The evening and night will be clear and cool, with a minimum temperature dropping to around 16 to 18 degrees Celsius throughout the day. Small steps every day leads to big achievements. School holidays today. Schools that observe the second Saturday as a holiday will remain closed in West Bengal today, in line with the usual calendar. Thank you. Have a nice day.